Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss limits at infinity. Last lecture I started limits at infinity. Okay. Today I will discuss the same. Okay, so look over here. This time exam. This time exam today. At 1 o'clock. Exam at 1 o'clock. Dahan Tamania. Don't worry. You have more time. You can study. After 9 o'clock, you have more hours. Don't worry. Exam now. Is now exam. Son. Exam now. 8 to 9. Tamania ila 9. Okay, no problem. You can attend the exam. If you have exam then this time, the exam 7 ila 9 you can attend. Go for exam this time. Okay. And to Baden on the WhatsApp. Baden on the WhatsApp. Okay. The Dahan exam fee 7 ila 9. Go for exam, no problem. Baden WhatsApp, right? And Mafi exam, attend lecture. Okay, so look over here. I will start from here. Last lecture I told you this definition. So I told you this definition. This limit x goes to plus or minus of fx is equal to this number L, right? This number L. Then line y equal to L. Y equal to L yani this one is called horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Okay. So this is the definition. The line y equal to L is called horizontal asymptote of the curve y equal to fx if either this or this. Okay. If limit x goes to infinity equal to L or limit x goes to minus infinity equal to L. Okay. then this L is called L yani this y equal to L. This line is called horizontal asymptote. Okay. Remember this. See this example here. Look over here. This example. Here question is this: limit see this function. This example. This example. This one and this one. Here limit x goes to infinity plus infinity. This function wahid ala x is equal to 0. If this goes to x goes to infinity, mujab infinity, and this function wahid ala x is equal to 0. This is 0. See this. Here this Rasambiani is going to mujab infinity. And this function coming here, coming at this line, and at this line y0. At this line, this Rasambiani coming at this line, and this line y0. So here limit x goes to infinity wahid ala x, yani wahid ala infinity, any number, any rakam hakiki ala infinity yusawi 0. Okay. Same here. Limit x goes to minus infinity wahid ala x is also 0. Okay. Right. This is going to minus infinity. Right. And this Rasambiani going to this line, and at this line y will be 0. So this minus plus no problem. Here मौजूद this function वाहिद आला x यानी वाहिद आला infinity yusawi 0. वाहिद आला सालिब infinity yusawi 0. You have to remember this. Okay. See the definition here. I told you. If this x goes to infinity is equal to 0, and this one 0 yani here and 0 here. This is called y equal to 0. This is called a horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Here it is. Horizontal asymptote. Right. So you have to remember this rule. If this x going to plus minus infinity here, and if this function goes to this number, then this L yani y yusawi L output is called a horizontal asymptote. So here what? Here L yusawi 0. Here L yusawi 0. Other L 0. Yani y yusawi 0 is a horizontal asymptote. Y yusawi 0 means this line. Y yusawi 0 means this line. This is called horizontal asymptote. Yeah. This is called horizontal asymptote. Okay. Whenever limit x goes to infinity and function goes to number, that number is called asymptote. Okay. Horizontal asymptote. Now see this example. See this one. find the infinite limit at infinity and asymptote for the function f given in the following graph. Okay, given in the following graph. See this graph. See this Samyani here. See the solution. When x goes to minus 1, when x goes to minus 1 minus, x goes to minus 1 minus, yani x goes to minus 1 from the left. Where is the minus 1? Minus 1 here. Okay. When x goes to minus 1 from the left, yani here, x मौजूद here, so Samyani going this way, Moja infinity. This is going Moja infinity. And when x going to minus 1 plus, minus 1 plus from the right, yani x करीब हिना from the right, so here Samyani going this Moja infinity. This both Moja infinity. You can see this limit x going to minus 1 here minus. It means what? X goes to minus 1 from the left in SR. Solid 1 here, other solid 1. And here from the left here, leave here, solid 1. SR, so x karib solid 1, then this is Samyani going this way. Infinity. Right? Yes, any question? Okay, Mustafa, okay. Right? Now this look over here. Limit x goes to minus 1 from the right is equal to what? X goes to minus 1 from the right. So minus 1 hada from the right and here. 3 minus 1 from the right. So see this. Okay, here is Samyani going this way, infinity. So this also infinity. Okay. These two limits infinity. Okay. So limit x goes to minus 1 fx, limit x goes to minus 1 plus fx. Both limits are infinity. It means what? Both limits are infinity. This is left limit infinity and right limit infinity. It means what? It means limit exists. A infinity and a mean infinity. Same. It means what? Limit x goes to minus 1, f of x equal to infinity. Okay? Infinity. Okay? Now come to this point. Come to this. So just you remember, I told you whenever this x goes to number and hina is infinity, minus infinity, then this number hada is called vertical asymptote. This is called vertical asymptote. So here x equal to minus 1. This one x goes to minus 1. This function goes to here infinity. And this x goes to minus 1. This is called a vertical asymptote. Vertical. Vertical asymptote. Vertical yani hada like that. Asymptote like that. So hada khat going vertical, right? This khat hada. So in this khat, one side here going Mojab infinity, and this also going Mojab infinity, right? This khat is called vertical asymptote. Yani x is avi -1. X equal to -1 is a vertical asymptote, right? Just remember the definition I told you. When x goes to number and this function goes to infinity, walla salib infinity maafi mushkila. And this number is called vertical asymptote. Then मौजूद salib 1, x is salib 1. X is salib 1 yani hada khat hada. This is called vertical asymptote, right? Just remember, I told you, remember this definition. Let me remind you the definition here. Let me remind you the definition. See this. If here limit x goes to a, right? This function f(x) goes to infinity. Infinity plus salib infinity maafi mushkila. Okay? Then this number here, hada. Okay? This is called x equal to a. This is called vertical asymptote. Right? And here maafi mushkila. Here x goes to salib a, or x goes to mojab a. Plus or minus maafi mushkila. And here goes to infinity. And this x goes to a is called vertical asymptote. Remember the definition. And here, this limit x goes to plus walla minus infinity. And if this function f(x) goes to this number L, then this number L here, this number L is what? This y is L. This number, a horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Okay. So, hada horizontal. This L yani this. Hada horizontal. Here limits of x goes to plus walla minus infinity. Easy number. This number is called horizontal asymptote. And here x goes to number and this function goes to infinity. Mojab walla salib maafi mushkila. And this number here a, this a is called vertical asymptote. Okay, so you have to remember this, right? You have to remember this. Now come to the question. Again here, same definition using here. X goes to -1. Right, maafi mushkila is going to here infinity, and here also going to infinity. This number -1 is called vertical asymptote. Right? Now look over here. See this limit. See this one. X goes to 2. X goes to 2 minus. Then f of x. X goes to 2 from the left. Where is 2? Where is 2? 2 is this. 2 hada maujuda 2. Okay. X goes to 2. This one. X goes to 2 here. From the left. From the left here. Left here. So where is Rasambyani here? See this. This is Rasambyani going here. X kareeb -2 from the left. Sorry, x kareeb 2 from the left here मौजूद, here Rasambyani where? Rasambyani here going minus infinity. This is going minus infinity. Okay. Same. See this here. X goes to 2 plus. X goes to 2 plus. यानी X करीब 2 from the right. I mean X करीब हिना करीब 2 from the right. And so Rasambyani हिना मौजूद. आधा. We are going. We are going. This is going मोजब infinity. Okay. Here माफी मुश्किल है. Here मोजब. Here साली वल्ला मोजब. Ajm infinity. If infinity is E, then this number. Infinity is E, then this number here. This number here. 2. This 2 is called x equal to 2. See this. X equal to 2 are called vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote. You remember the definition? Same like this. Here मौजूद. Here मौजूद 2. This 2 is called x equal to 2 vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote. You can see this. X equal to 2 यानी हादा. X equal to 2 यानी हादा खात. हादा खात. Okay. And at this 2, limit going to mojab infinity. One side mojab infinity, one side solid infinity. Okay. Right. This is called vertical asymptote. X is equal to 2. Here limit does not exist at 2. माफी मुश्किल है. Limit does not exist. One side solid infinity, one side mojab infinity. Okay. Limit x goes to 2 of fx. Limit माफी exist because one side solid, one side mojab. Limit माफी मौजूद, but it is called asymptote. Asymptote because here मौजूद infinity. Okay. Right. Now look over here. See this. This one. Let me write here. This limit x goes to minus infinity. Okay. And remember, यहाँ मौजूद x goes to minus infinity. मतलब मौजब infinity. माफी मुश्किल है. This fx goes to number, and that number is called horizontal asymptote. Right. Look, x goes to minus infinity, and then this fx. X करीब minus infinity. And the fx. X करीब minus infinity. So x has a minus infinity. Going this way here. Minus infinity. And function where? Function here मौजूद. Function here. At this line. And this line is what? This line is what? This. See this. This function coming here. At this line. And this line is what? This is 2. Ada. This is 2. See this. Why have it 2? This is equal to 2. Right? So this is equal to 2 here. You see this limit? Limit x goes to this one. Mojab infinity. Mojab infinity here. And this function is equal to x goes to mojab infinity here. Okay? X mojab infinity. Yani hada mojab infinity. Going this way. It's going mojab infinity. And this function karib here. Function here. Which line this? What is this here? Hada come. Hada come. Hada. Hada 4. Hada 3 and Hada 4. Hada 4. Okay. This is 4. You can see this. Yes, 4. Again, the difference between horizontal and vertical asymptote. Okay, horizontal and vertical asymptote. Again, the difference. See the difference here. See the difference here. Here, x goes to number. So far, x goes to number. Here, x goes to number. A is rakam hakiki here. X goes to number A. Okay. Maafi mushkila. This plus wala minus. Maafi mushkila. Right. X goes to A. And this, let me write again here. Limit X goes to A. Okay. Fx. If this is the father number. Okay. And this fx goes to infinity. Maafi mushkila mujab wala salib infinity. Maafi mushkila. In this number here, other number yani this x isavi A. This number x isavi A is called vertical asymptote. This condition, x kareeb number and function kareeb infinity. Mujab wala salib. Maafi mushkila. Okay. And this number is called, and this limit maafi mushkila SR wala yamin maafi mushkila. Hina is infinity. Mujab wala salib. And this number is called x isavi A yani hada. This number is called vertical asymptote. Right? Remember the definition I told you. Okay. And here what? Here x goes to infinity. X go infinity. X kareeb infinity. Maafi mushkila. I mean, mujab infinity wala salib infinity. X kareeb mujab infinity wala x kareeb salib infinity. No problem. If this function goes to number here. Function goes to number. And this number, hada number, yani y isavi L, this number is called a horizontal asymptote. Okay? Horizontal asymptote yani line this sida. If y equal to number L, then this y equal to L yani hada, this line. And here x equal to A yani this line. Hada A this way. This line is equal to A. This is called vertical. Vertical yani this way, up to down. Horizontal yani this, left to right. Y equal to L yani left to right. This way. You have to remember the definition. Here x goes to number and function goes to infinity. Maafi mushkila mujab wala salib. Here x goes to infinity and this function goes to number. So here this number is called horizontal asymptote. Here x goes to A, number is called vertical asymptote. Remember this definition, right? Muhammad Allah sir, Mustafa, Abdul Rahman, clear or not? Okay. Same here I am defining. See the difference. So here what I am saying? Here I am saying, here see this. Here x going to number and function going to infinity. This number here, whatever the number, here minus 1. Minus 1 is called vertical asymptote. Okay. Right? And here what? Here x goes to infinity. Minus wala mujab, maafi mushkila. Sali wala mujab, maafi mushkila. And function goes to this number. So this number is called here. This number is called horizontal asymptote. And here y equal to 2. This is y equal to 2. Output. This y equal to 2 is horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. This y equal to 2. See this y equal to 2. Y is 2 is horizontal line. y is v 2 here, horizontal line. So y is v 2 is this. Where is y is v 2? Y is v 2 hada. So and hada line. So y is v 2 yani hada line. This is horizontal. Hada horizontal. Okay. And this function kareeb here, this number 2, this line, this is called horizontal here. This one. Can you see this here? X goes to minus, here infinity, and here number goes to number. This number is horizontal asymptote. Here infinity, and this function goes to number. So this number is horizontal asymptote. And here what? Here x goes to number, and this function goes to infinity. This number is called vertical asymptote. This way you have to remember. And see this here. Here x goes to infinity, and this function goes to number, other number. This number is what? Asymptote. Asymptote. Horizontal. Here x goes to infinity, minus infinity, and this function goes to this number. This number is what? Horizontal asymptote. Okay? You have to remember the definition all the time. Explain again. See this. If limit x goes to mojab walla salib, infinity mojud here, and this function fx goes to this number. This number here, this number is called horizontal asymptote. Okay. And here limit x goes to this number, other number, so father number, and this function goes to here infinity. Kahi muskila here moja salib, no problem. And here limit yasar wala limit yamin, maafi muskila. Here moja wala salib, anything. Here number and here infinity, whatever. And this number is called here this number is called, this number yani x is a, it's called vertical asymptote. Do you remember the definition? I discussed this vertical asymptote earlier. We have discussed many times this vertical asymptote. Okay, you have to remember the definition. When I discussed vertical asymptote, I told you there are 6 conditions. There are 6 conditions. If wahid conditions are wahid, at least one, then you say it is vertical asymptote. Right? Yes. So wahid, y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. Y equal to 4, so father come in a limit infinity, and this function goes to this number. So this number is what? This number is y equal to 4, and this is what? By the definition. Here x goes to infinity, and this function goes to number. So this number is what? Vertical asymptote. Here mojud y equal to 4. Sorry, horizontal asymptote here. Because hada infinity. Function goes to number, so y equal to 4, this number is called horizontal asymptote. And if x goes to number, input goes to number and function goes to infinity, then you call x isavi that number is vertical asymptote, right? Yes, yes. Horizontal. Now remember that. Now see, let me solve here this example. Here limit x goes to infinity, other x goes to infinity, and if this function goes to any number, then what asymptote here? Tell me, which asymptote? Horizontal varla vertical? Sulaiman vertical, horizontal. Muhammad Al Hassan horizontal. Abdul Wahid horizontal. Abdul Rahman, see here limits of x input kareeb infinity, then this function kareeb in a number, any number here any number. Other x goes to infinity, and this function goes to number. This number is what? Vertical wala. This number yani y is a number that is line. Okay? Horizontal, yes, horizontal. So this question I will explain next lecture. Let me explain here one thing. Here. See this. This is xy system, coordinate system. X, this is y. If I write here this line, line x isavi a, this number x equal to a, right? X equal to a, or you can take x equal to number, see any number 2. To where? Hada 1 and Hada 2. Hada x isavi 2. X isavi 2 means what? Hada khat, vertical. Hada khat. Hada khat. This is the line. This one. Hada vertical. See the Hada. This 2, yani Hada x isavi 2. This one. This khat. So here 2, Hada 2, Hada x2, Hina x2, Hada kullo 2 here. Hada kullo 2 here. Okay. So this, see this number x isavi 2 Hada. This is x isavi 2 means Hada khat. Hada. Vertical. You understand or not? See this. Let me write again. This is xy coordinate system. So when you, this is x, this is input and this is output, y. If you write this, x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means what? 2 here. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 2. X isavi 2. This x isavi 2 means what? X isavi 2 means Hada. Hada x isavi 2. This one x isavi 2. This khat is x isavi 2. Hada x isavi 2. Hada x isavi 2. Right? And when you write here, y isavi 2. What is the meaning of y isavi 2? Y yani output. Output here 2. Where mojud output? Here 1 and here 2. Hada 2. This is 2. Okay. So y isavi 2 output yani Hada. Hada khat. This one. This is y = 2. This is y = 2. This one. This is the meaning. So y = 2 horizontal khat and x = 2 hada. X = 2 hada vertical. This is vertical. And this one y = 2 horizontal line. You understand or not? Right here is xy coordinate system. X, this is y, this is y. If I write here y = -1, this y = -1. Where is -1? -1 here, here -1. Okay, y = -1 यहाँ रखा हिना. This one, this line. This is y = -1. This line is y = -1. This one. And if you write x = -1, x = -1 where? -1 here, x = okay, other -1. X = -1 यानी हिना आधा khat. This one x = -1. You understand this or not? Is it clear or not? Yes. Same thing I'm saying there. If y = output y = 2, it means this type line y = 2. Okay. And remember the definition. Here x = 2 means this. X = 2 means this one. Adha khat. And y = 2. Y = 2 means this. This one. Adha khat. Today I will stop here. Any question? Ask me now. Okay. See you at next lecture, inshallah. Thanks for joining today. Goodbye.